Now we'll get back to our weather here at home. It is quite hot today. It was hot this weekend, and you say the heat's going to continue.
Yes, there's no way to sugarcoat that, Allison. It's going to be the hottest week of the year. We thought that was going to happen a couple weeks ago when it was hot. No, it's going to be this week, folks, unfortunately. Blisteringly hot, dangerously hot. You have to take the heat seriously. I've been saying it all summer long that heat is the #1 weather-related killer on the planet. And it's conditions that we'll be experiencing that you can quickly be overcome by because of the heat and the humidity. We are going to see that dangerous heat throughout the entire week, Northwest Arkansas and the River Valley. Highs between 98 to 105, air temperatures all week, heat indices much higher than that. But there is some relief. By next weekend, we should cool down to more average temperatures, if not a little bit below average for this time of the year. Excessive heat warning remains in effect for the entire area through tonight. Tomorrow, heat advisory for Northwest Arkansas, excessive heat warning for the River Valley, as heat indices will be between 110 and 120 degrees. Out there right now, it looks amazing outside. Unfortunately, it's so blisteringly hot that you really can't go out and enjoy the very nice tranquil conditions like you saw there in Eureka Springs. Widespread triple-digit heat in upper 90s across Northwest Arkansas. River Valley, no different, not a cloud in the sky. Very hot, very humid. We are at 103 in Fort Smith, 106 your air temperature in Van Buren. We are chasing records this week, folks, and there's a good chance we're going to break a lot of those records, which we'll talk about later tonight. Tropical-like dew points, that's what's making those heat indices so unbearable outside. As we go through the rest of the night, temperatures struggling to dip back into the upper 80s and lower 90s. By tomorrow morning, we might get into the lower 80s and upper 70s. Meanwhile, Monday morning or Monday afternoon, very hot yet again. We race back into the triple digits, and Tuesday morning, same thing. Not a lot of clouds, no precipitation, just hot, hot temperatures. Here's a look at what's left of Hillary, still weakening, still a tropical storm with 60-mile-an-hour winds. All this moisture being poured into Southern California and Nevada at this hour. In fact, here's a look at the current radar, and you can see that swath of very heavy rainfall. These are areas that don't see barely any rain in the month of August, from San Diego all the way up through Bakersfield. Let's take you out to Bakersfield right now, show you what it looks like. Yeah, it's coming down out there. This is a live picture of the highways leading into the city of Bakersfield, and it's certainly wet, a rare sight for California in August. And what's left of Hillary is going to continue to make its way into northern Nevada and into Idaho over the next day or so, bringing wet conditions to those folks. Very muggy for us tonight, and very hot, very humid, and very dangerous. Those temperatures tomorrow. And you can see we've got severe days tomorrow and Tuesday for Northwest Arkansas, impact days Wednesday and Thursday. Records will be challenged almost every day this week in Northwest Arkansas, as well as the Record Valley, where it's nonstop severe days, folks. Please make sure you are safe if you have to be outside for an extended period of time. We are going to take a break, and then we're going to come back, and then we're going to do sports with Allison after the break. Sporty